early morning, down at my local again. First light, same as last time, just using cubes of muley, small suicide hook, just dropping them down around the pylons. So I've brought the canoe today. I was bloody freezing last week. The advantage of this canoe is I can wear my boots, keep my feet dry, keep my butt dry. It's a bit bigger, a bit more room for gear, and very comfortable with this seat. So. Yep. Chopper Taylor. Little pinky. I always crush my barbs or my hooks because these are the future of our pinky fishery. You want to let these guys go nice and easily, so crush the barbs down, makes a big difference getting your hooks back. It's a bit of a compromise with your size of hooks. You can go a bit smaller and probably hook a lot more of the smaller pickers, but yeah, when that bigger size fish comes along, you want to make sure you pin it nicely, so I'll go with something around that sort of size, little suicide, deadly sharp. Just the cube of muley, just hook through, back through, and then yeah, just like that. So I'm using a little Daiwa Air, 1500 size, Daiwa Laguna. This rod's probably a little light for the job, but I like the way it casts unweighted baits, no problem at all. The tip folds away. You probably see from some of my videos, it bends over double into the water sometimes, but it's a good fun rod to use, nice and light, responsive. 6 pound braid on here I use, and a 6 pound fluorocarbon leader. Oh, yep, another one. Another little tar one. See the old barbless hook, just falls right out. Plenty of these around in pretty much every marina. They do grow to much better sizes than this one, but yeah, these ones would be your average, I guess. Put up a great little fight for the size of them. Nice looking little fish. Yeah. Fish. Skippy, awesome little fish. Fight really hard in amongst all the pylons and the boats. Not a huge one, but it's a start. They normally roam around in school, so hopefully we can get another couple. Yep, in again. Oh, yeah, this one feels better. Oh, he's gone. Oh. Much better size skippy, that one. They still come quite a bit bigger inside the marinas here, but that one's a bit better. Decent fight for... They put up a decent fight for the size of them. Nice and fat across the shoulders. Go pretty hard amongst the pylons. Nice. That's it for me. I'm going home for some breakfast.